Today we are doing this tree plantation, and this is a green initiative from ITSAP, and we have had great cooperation from GHMC. There are quite a few multinational companies that have come here and participating. They're volunteering. As you can see, there is Invesco here, Wells Fargo, GE, Deloitte, many other companies. So it's great to see all these people coming together and working as one team. And they're planting about 750 trees today, and we're also very happy with the kind of trees we have received from GHMC. They look healthy. They have a very good plan to keep them surviving through the monsoon season, and we are told beyond that they will live very well. So we hope that this will become a very good green belt for people to use. There are about 400 volunteers, and I'm told just from Invesco there are about 100 today, and there are good equal number from other companies. There are about half a dozen companies, and that they're participating today. And the great satisfaction this year for us is this is not something that starts on an Environment Day and ends. So Environment Day something started, but beyond the Environment Day today again there's something else happening. So that's very satisfying. Yeah, this voluntary team along with ITSAP, they have worked out a plan, and there's a complete plan to keep them taken care of. They'll water them, they'll provide the fertilizers, and make sure that the trees survive. And I think that's in the initial days that's very important. So they already worked on a plan. They have people who have taken the charge to come here and maintain them. My perspective is these are small steps, but we should do more of these. And if you all come together and work hard, I don't think it is difficult to do it. So it's a great start, and it's not something that has just happened once and gotten over. So for a couple of years it's been going on. It's increasing in its size and scale and scope every year. So that's good for us. I don't think there are any challenges. I think there are opportunities. We should just make use of them. If we work together, this is a great example. GHMC is providing what is natural for them, the saplings, the contact with the contractors, some of the equipment, water, etc. We are bringing in some volunteers and all the material support. So I think that's the way to do it. So I don't see a challenge. I only see an opportunity. So this is a great beginning.